Hey there, future doctors! Today, I'm breaking down the fascinating world of acid-base balance in your body, focusing on how the respiratory and renal systems respond to disturbances. Ready to dive in? Let's go! First off, why is pH balance so crucial? Your body functions best at a very narrow pH range, around 7.35 to 7.45. Any deviation can have serious consequences, so your body has developed some nifty compensatory mechanisms to keep things in check. Let's start with the respiratory system. When you have a metabolic acidosis, which means an increase in acid or decrease in bicarbonate, your body needs to get rid of that excess acid. Your lungs come to the rescue by increasing the breathing rate. This process, called hyperventilation, helps expel more CO2, which in turn reduces the acid load. On the flip side, if you're dealing with metabolic alkalosis, where there's too much bicarbonate or too little acid, your body wants to hold on to CO2, so your breathing slows down, a process called hypoventilation. This retains CO2, which combines with water to form carbonic acid, thus balancing out the pH. Now let's talk about the renal system. This is your body's long-term pH regulator. Kidneys are like the cleanup crew, meticulously managing bicarbonate, HCO3, levels. If you have respiratory acidosis, where CO2 isn't efficiently expelled from the lungs, your kidneys reabsorb more bicarbonate and excrete hydrogen ions. This compensatory mechanism helps neutralize the excess acid. Conversely, in respiratory alkalosis, where there's too much CO2 being expelled, your kidneys excrete bicarbonate and retain hydrogen ions. This action helps bring the pH back to normal. But here's the kicker. These mechanisms don't work in isolation. They actually complement each other. For instance, if you have both respiratory and metabolic acidosis, your lungs will hyperventilate while your kidneys work overtime to reabsorb bicarbonate. It's a beautifully coordinated effort to maintain that delicate balance. So, the next time you're asked about compensatory mechanisms in acid-base balance, remember these key points. The respiratory system adjusts CO2 levels through changes in breathing rate, acting quickly, but only providing a temporary fix. The renal system, on the other hand, takes longer but offers a more permanent solution by balancing bicarbonate and hydrogen ions. For more detailed study, don't forget to check out www.examsaj.com. It's a great resource for digging deeper into this topic. Alright, that wraps up our quick dive into how your body balances pH. Thanks for tuning in, and keep those neurons firing. Until next time, happy studying.